Alright, so folks, I don't have a whole bunch of time on this video, but Mike Thomas with Chef Brandon Watkins here
That's me.
today. This guy is helping me pull off the ultimate roost on my wife for her birthday. I don't even know if I was in that last shot or not, but
That's
all that matters is the chef being in this whole photo. Chef, what have you prepared for Alicia Renee on her birthday?
We're doing a maple and bacon salad with a little bit strawberry pommes seed dressing. Also, we're doing a chicken and shrimp linguine alfredo dish. Also, we're gonna do a apple Dutch pie tonight, and we're gonna have strawberries and all kinds of stuff for them afterward. It's gonna be very nice. I am pleasured to surprise Alicia for her birthday. It's a great honor for me to be here and to me to be just a chef, a private chef for them this evening. And I am so grateful that I can do it for my friend Michael and Alicia. I am honored just to be their chef for the night. And anybody else who wanted me to do a private chef for them, come out, call me 513-375-5897. Trust me, I love doing stuff like this. It's a great honor for me to do it. And I'm just a great man who just want to do great things for great people. So thank you so much.